Hello, this is the Faithful Planner Girl. I want to welcome you back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to you as well. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more videos like this one. Today I'm going to show you something different. I won 2 auctions on another site. I will tell you the name. If you want to go to Facebook, it's called Well With My Soul Expressions. It's a church with no walls. It's a women's Bible journal church with no walls. Okay, so if you want to check that out, it is a private group, but you can ask to join it. And when you do, will you please tell Reesa that you saw this video from the Faithful Planner Girl. So I have been the one that told you to go over there and join her club. I would appreciate that. So I'm going to show you today a couple of the things that I got at her auction. She makes all kinds of different albums and things, all kinds of different stuff. And you can learn how to make things. Or you can purchase from her Etsy shop. Reesa, this is the only thing I saw when it was in the bag. There was the little pink hard flower poked through. So just to let you know, it's totally fine. I already opened this just to make sure everything's fine. It is. But maybe a little bubble wrap or something on something hard so it doesn't poke next time. But anyways, so I did open this up earlier. Just to double check things. And like I said, she makes these. She shows you how over there on her group. And this was one of the things that she auctioned off. This was one. And then this was the other one. So, and you just pay for the postage, which is great. My goodness. But you can also purchase through her Etsy. So, I'll save this for last. This is a little envelope. See the little flower here? This is made out of felt. Celebrate. It's just like this little envelope, and you open it up. And inside, first of all, I want to share this. I contacted her and wanted to make sure it was fine. She said sure. So this is all of Reesa's information there, where to go online to find her Etsy shop. So here is the little envelope. Look at the succulents. Aren't they pretty? I love pink and the greens together. They're gorgeous. So this is like a little flip up album. And I believe these are made out of envelopes. So she can teach you how to do that on her group site. Come on, get back in there. Yeah, little envelopes here. You can see how that's attached there. And there's just some more. So you can journal on one side. And you can make a little album out of this with add some pictures or do some Bible journaling or whatever you want to do to add to it. So this is just like a little booklet. It's super cute with the little Velcro. So that just sticks down like that. So cute. I love it. It's adorable. And then this one came. Look at this. The little butterfly with those little antennas there. And some more flowers. Whoops. Get down there. There we go. Some little sequins, but they're not flat. They're raised up little sequins type things. And there's another little black hard plastic flower there. And some are paper flowers. So this is super cute. And take off this twine here. Here's the other side. Oh, there's another little tag in there. We'll get to that in a minute. You open this up like this, and these are little envelopes too. They're cut down in the shape of little envelopes so you can put things in it. Dreams and the butterflies. And here's some more. Another envelope there. And one more down here. Leave a little magic everywhere you go. Beautiful. I love butterflies. This is so super cute. Love, love, love. Now let's take out this little tag right here from the back pocket. Dreaming inspired. That's so cute. And there's a little doily on the back. Lovely. So you can add a little picture there or something else that you want. Super cute. I love it. Can't believe these are all paper products, you know? It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of scrapbook paper. So I'll tuck that right back there. And there's that one. And here's the third one. And again, some Velcro, so it just keeps it closed. There looks like there's an envelope here, another one that has the closure. Very nice to keep little things in there. Here's another one. They call this kind of like a waterfall type album. And each one of these also have the little pull-outs. And you can write something on the back of those. Same with these. Oh, that's cute. Pretty paper, like matches. I like all the matchy-matchy things. She always picks a really pretty paper line when she makes things, and oh, they're just, oh, look at those flowers. Oh, they're gorgeous. Just beautiful. So again, these are all the little things that I won in a auction that she held. She does those periodically, and you just pay for the postage if you get lucky to win one. And here is an album. This is what I really had my heart on. I was glad to get it, and I understand this is her first album. So, oh my goodness, look at this. It's so pretty. It's all vintagey. That's why I liked it. Has lace and a little bit of beading right there. Here's some more of those gorgeous flowers. Paper flowers, the little plastic one that kind of poke through the package. Buttons and some more buttons down here. Another mint flower, little hard flowers there. Some leaves. Here's a bicycle, that's a wood chip. And let's see if I can undo this with kind of one hand. And I'll flip it over. That's adhered with another button. Okay. I Never Say Never, and I Never Say Always by Grace Kelly. Cute. So, here is the little album there with the paper. Oh, the paper line. I know what this is because I have some of this paper. That's why I thought it was so stinking cute. This is the paper line, Authentic. And that's where she got the little phrase, the Never Say Never. So this is just showing you some of the papers that's in this line. I happen to have And I believe I got this at Tuesday Mornings quite some time ago. So I don't know if they still have this or in your area. But yes, these are the little cards and things from that line. They're so cute. But I really love this, and I haven't really done anything with mine yet. I've used some of my papers. But anyhow, these are super cute. Just a little bit of vintage there to make a little album out of. So anyways, I thought you'd like to see that. So back to my little album here. Look how she's created this. It's super, super cute. Ooh la la, girl. Child admission, a little ticket, little stickers. And you flip it over. Here's take a picture. Ooh, that's kind of like cloth. It's a material. Super cute. Oh, there's a little tag. And you pull that out. And it's blank on the other side. So all of these have these little pockets. I probably won't take them all out, but anyways. Yeah, it's probably just me. Kind of hard to get that back in there. Here's a frame, the good stuff, you and me. Here's another one. See how they all pull out? Oh, now this one I have to pull out because there's more goodies in it. And it looks like, yeah, she used the cards on that one piece of paper I showed you. So you can journal on this side, which is awesome. Hello there. And you have something cute on the other side. So great to write some Bible scriptures on is probably what I'll end up doing with this. The story. Keep sassy. Super cute. I love how she stuck these in there. And now that I have the paper line, I can add a few more to the other pockets. So fun. Best friends. Look at the little skirt. Little poodle. Adorable. Oh my goodness. I love those. Thank you, Reesa. Look at that. I love, love, love them. So put that back in there, and also this other one comes out. Introductory offer. New special price. Another pocket. There's probably a pocket, I think, in each and every one of these. They just slide right in and out. Hello, darling. That's what she said. Little hard plastic right there. Another little paper type doily. Keep it sassy. Adorable. Look at the little glasses once again. Ooh, I gotta look at this one. I just have to. Oh, that's behind it. Okay, here's the glasses in. Glasses on the other side. Here's another one of those never say never. Grace Kelly and some tickets. And she cut some more paper. It's just so cute. I love, love, love how she did this. Don't quit your daydream. Wasn't that the truth? And this one has some lace. So she just stapled some lace on there. Another little ticket. Little tags. So pretty. Beautiful. Authentic paper. Grand opening. So cute. Special for today. Modern fresh coffee. Coffee-matic. That's so cute. Life's a bowl of cherries. Another tag. Look at that. It's got all these little, Wow, all these little thread thingies hanging out. It's so cute. Remember, you are fabulous. And look at this cute little clip. She just added a little clippy on there. Be yourself. Oh, it's a pink flamingo. Super cute. And, oh, how cute is this one? This flips up. Fun, great deal. Dance lessons. Aw. La Bella Vita. La Bella Vita. Find joy in the ordinary. Amazing. It's more fun to mow. Special price. Yeah. Can't get those prices nowadays, huh? Good things are going to happen today. Cute. Oh, look at the little notebook. Oh my goodness sakes. Now, I did not see that in here before, so that is a surprise. I guess I didn't see the very end of the album and stuff, so I didn't get to see that, but that is a special little bonus. I guess I'll put some more little scriptures in there as well. So it's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I just love it, Reesa. Thank you. I'm going to treasure this. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Then there was one more little thing she threw in here. I had no idea that this was going to come. These are napkins. And she's just cut some little pieces off. Super cute. Now, a lot of gals do Bible journaling, and they will adhere these right into their Bibles. You peel apart the part from the napkin, make it just one layer, and you take this thin little layer and you just adhere it into your Bible using some gesso. Super cute. I have never tried this yet. Little bird. Aww. So I will do that. Does anybody else do Bible journaling with napkins? How many of you have tried that? Give me thanks to the Lord for his love. Oh, give thanks for his love is good. Oh, can't even read. Give thanks to the Lord for he is love. His love is good. My goodness. Give thanks to the Lord for his love is good. Psalms 136:1. Okay, wow. That took me a while. Cute little Christmas little truck. Here's some little teacups. In all things, give thanks. Ooh, that's another favorite. I love both of those so much. Hollywood Productions, super cute. Oh, wow. So I have not yet tried this as doing the napkin technique in my Bible, so I will have to do that. If you're interested in me trying to make one, go ahead and leave me a comment, or please give me a comment if you already have tried that. So, and what you like about it, what to try, what not to try. Okay, so thank you for joining me today, and I'm going to try to send over a link. I'll try to remember to stick that down in here, and if not, if I can't get it to work or can't remember, go to Facebook. Again, it's Well With My Soul Expressions, Women's Bible Journal, Church with No Walls. That's a private Facebook group, but ask to join. And please tell Reesa that the Faithful Planner Girl sent you over, okay? I'm so glad that you were able to join me today. And go give Reesa some love and support, okay? Thank you again for watching. And may you all be blessed today with whatever you're doing. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.